Let's make a cheese pizza. So I have here a 350 gram dough ball of sourdough. Go ahead and get this out of the box. Sprinkle some semolina in here. Separate it from there. Get it up. Do some semolina. Coat both sides. Let's get some on the cutting board here. Nice round shape. Go ahead and start pressing some of this air out to the crust. Flip it over, do the same thing. Press the air out. We'll leave ourselves a nice little crust on the edge. Get on your knuckles and stretch it out. Usually you don't want to stretch it out to its full diameter. It's going to be a 14-inch pizza, so we'll stretch it out to about 12, 13 inches. Top it, and then the weight of the toppings will hold it down, and we can stretch it out the rest of the way. So that looks good. Get our pizza peeled. It's already been dusted with some rice flour. Lay this on top. I think I want to go a little bit bigger first. That looks good. Pizza sauce. Recipe in the link down below. One ladle of pizza sauce. Just put it in the middle and just kind of work your way out. Once you get to the outside, just kind of start back in the middle again, work your way out. Try to keep a little bit of a crust on the outside, about 1 inch. Try to get fairly close to the edge. All right, just like that. This pizza is going to have several different cheeses. First of all, we'll go ahead and put some fresh mozzarella. Just tear it off. Just spread it out. All right, that looks good. And we'll go ahead and put some low moisture whole milk mozzarella. Don't really need a whole lot. Less is more when it comes to this kind of pizza. It'll all melt in, all melt together. You want to be able to taste all the ingredients. You don't want a big cheesy mess. This is not Domino's. You're going for flavor here. Okay, that looks good. Now we'll go ahead and do our last stretch to get it to the 14 inches that we want. That looks good. If you need to rearrange anything, now's the time. There we go. Let's get it in the oven. We'll let it sit for a minute, and then we'll start to turn. speed up the turning peel. Start turning. Every 15-20 seconds, give about a quarter turn. Some even browning on that crust. Make sure we don't burn the cheese. Once again, I still have it on low. So we'll take a peek at the bottom, get some good color on the bottom. Another minute or so, this should be ready. Get some olive oil on the edge. Go ahead and get some finely grated Parmesan also. Get a little basil. A little more parm because you can never have too much. And there we have it. The ultimate cheese pizza cooked on the GOZNEY Arc XL. Let's get a taste. Before we dive in, let's recap what we did. This is a 350 gram sourdough dough ball, fermented at room temperature 24 hours. We cooked it at 830 degrees, about 5 minutes. It's topped with tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, low moisture whole milk mozzarella. We finished it off with some finely grated Parmesan and some basil. Let's give it a taste. It's really good. Have some Austin East ciders. Blackberry hard cider. Well, if you like this video, if you like these pizza videos, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below. Catch you on the next one.